Hello friends, my name is Sanjay Singh and I'm your sales coach. If you are a sales manager in channel or distribution mode of selling, then I have to share one tip with you on how to generate new business for your tertiary counters. Friends, aggregators can get you more business in channel or distribution mode of selling. Let me give you an example. Let me take an example of a dealer who is dealing in the white goods for consumer durables like refrigerator, washing machine, microwave oven, home appliances, and so on and so forth. Now, typically, electrician is an aggregator for consumer durable business. So, what I mean by this word called aggregator? Aggregator is a person who is present by default at the point of demand creation or demand fulfillment, not because he was interested in the sale of white goods, but his profession demands that he will be present wherever a white good is sold. What do I mean by this? Okay, if a refrigerator is being installed in a house, I'm sure an electrician is required to provide a 15 ampere plug point for the refrigerator. If a microwave, if an air conditioner, or any of these white goods are required to be installed, don't you think that you need an electrician at the point? So, electrician is an aggregator for your business, and if you work backwards and congregate all the electricians in your city and tell them that they should be sharing all the white good leads with you, which in turn you translate into business, I'm sure you understand what I'm talking about. And as a sales manager, I'm not expecting you to be doing that, but go down and educate your dealers that they need to congregate the aggregators in the business and use the aggregators as a means for generating new leads for business. And this is a wonderful way of outreaching to the market. If you have liked my video, go down and click on the subscribe button, press on the bell icon, because I will keep on uploading videos on different forms of selling so that you and I can always be in love.